looks like. So we're just gonna open it up. Okay, this says slimy sesame. I don't know what that says, guys. I'm really sorry. And then we have beads. And we have this plastic glue. And I think this is the activator. I don't know. And this is the water gel powder. Here's the directions. It says choose a glue and squeeze all of it into a cup or bowl. So I think we're taking this glue, which is blue, and I think this has to be around here. Don't worry, I have this prepared. Yes. Phew. Okay. I don't think I want to use all of this. I'm not sure. Whoa, this is so cool. Okay. Okay, next. Stir in either half of the sterile beads or half of the water gel. Make sure you do not use too much water gel or it will harden. This is the water gel powder. And it said, oh, what the heck am I doing? Literally, this is not open. I actually had to use my fingers. There we go. So hard. Okay. Try and put this in carefully. This looks like sugar. Oh, he said to use all of it. I'm gonna stir it with the stick. If it's not really that sticky, I guess I'm just put some more in there, or just put. Oh, this. I think that's the activator. Just gonna keep mixing this in. It looks like gooey. Like I just poured a Sour Patch Kid. So like I melted it and then put it in this bowl. Looks like almost in there, just almost. Okay, guys, I'm about to put the activator in, and I'm gonna stop at number 40. Whoa, this is really turning fun. Whoa, this is big. I'm not sure what's gonna fit my tubes that I'm gonna put it in. This is awesome. The stick is really hard to stir with, honestly. This is so cool. Add some chocolate there. I'm gonna stop at number 40. Just to tell you, I'm not almost there, so I'll probably just speed this part up. I'm not sure. Hopefully this doesn't fail. If it does, I'm just gonna move on to the next one. Whoa. I've seen some videos like this, but they just keep mixing, so that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm just gonna add some more. Okay guys, almost there. Promise. Whoa! Okay, now I'm moving on to a chopstick because that stick is really hard. It's like a wooden stick. Oh, this is getting good. Okay, it's a little bit sticky, so I good but so bad to eat. Ah, let's see what this is. Oh yeah, definitely some more. Looking good, looking good, looking good at the last one. It's really sticky. More. Still sticky. How many activator am I gonna add? Literally. How many? Okay, put it into the pans. Getting that sparkly feeling in it. Honestly, this kit is like really cool.